If the aircraft status indicator blinks yellow quickly, it means that the remote controller cannot be connected to the aircraft and relinking is required. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Enter the flight interface. Tap Settings, choose Remote Controller Settings. Select Linking Remote Controller and tap OK. The remote controller will make a beeping sound indicating the linking process has started. Press the link button on the right of the aircraft. When the beeping finishes and the aircraft status indicator stops blinking yellow, the app will display Remote Controller Linked, indicating that the linking was successful. Press the C1, C2, and Record button simultaneously. Then, press the shutter button when the remote controller makes a beep. The remote controller's LCD screen will display binding, indicating the linking process has started. Press the link button on the right of the aircraft. When the beeping finishes and the aircraft status indicator stops blinking, the remote controller has linked successfully. Thank you for watching.